What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going over some of the tech that I've been using in 2025 that still has not let me down, and the reason why I started this whole channel. You guys know by the title and the thumbnail, so let's go ahead and jump right into it, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. You guys remember this? Only real OGs will know. A couple little hidden Easter eggs throughout the video, so keep an eye out, but it's been a long time, chat. You guys probably don't even recognize him, the little snicker. This was right around the time that I had originally started this YouTube channel. Is winter and Christmas time. You guys went through all that, and I feel like you guys like that vibe. Also another little hidden Easter egg. Pardon the interruption, guys. If you guys can timestamp where in the OG video you guys find this little hidden Christmas Easter egg, I will Venmo you guys lunch, so Merry Christmas. Big boy tasks. Oh, do them like that. And yes, I'm still running the OG iPad. One of the best purchases of tech that I've made ever. This is my third iPad. First two iPads I returned because I wasn't using them. This iPad I've had since it literally came out. It's an iPad Pro, and I've loved it. And you know, even though some time has gone by, not much has changed, and you guys are probably wondering, where have you been? What have you been doing? Well, the last video should have given you guys a little hint, and that's pretty much everything that you can possibly think of besides being locked in my room on some tech, and that's literally only because of the weather. I'm a big weather guy. If the weather's good, you're not gonna catch me inside unless I have to. If the weather's bad, you're probably still gonna catch me outside, but maybe just a tiny bit less. Use the lighting, but I'm still running the same desk that you guys saw at the beginning of this year, the Flexi Spot desk. Same monitor. I'm sure you guys probably thought if I was running the same iPad, everything else would be the same, but literally Mac Mini, Logitech MX keys, Logitech MX2S, I believe. Blue Yeti microphone still, a lot of the same stuff here, and it's probably what you guys came here for, this bad boy. Now you guys are probably thinking, dude, you've done so many videos on this Xbox Series S. There's been updates to it. There's been other consoles that have recently come out. Their handheld tech is just getting better and better. Guess what? I'm still rocking with the Xbox Series S. We're not going to go ahead and do a deep dive today, but I will say this is what I jumped back on as soon as that good weather started to go away. Days started getting shorter. Days started to get dark a lot earlier, and the weather started to be not so hot. Your boy jumped back on the sticks. This thing is tried and true. LG Ergo 7-inch 1440p monitor. I have nothing but good things to say about that thing, but I do need some recommendations, guys. Now, not everything's always going to stay the same. You guys know that I like to keep everything business as usual, but after playing the Xbox on my TV, which is a 4K LG TV, this is an LG monitor here. I'm an LG guy, and I'm looking to upgrade. So if you guys can, drop some monitor recommendations, at least 4K, whatever you guys think is going to be best for the gaming settings on this monitor. I'm also thinking about upgrading the TV that you guys have been seeing in the video. Now, I'm going to be keeping that one. It's either going to go in the garage or maybe a bedroom, but I have been looking to upgrade, so I need TV recommendations, and of course, I will share all that with you. Now, if you guys are anything like me, you guys know that I love to be outside and I live an active lifestyle, just like many of you guys. And while you're clicking on this channel, I am a tech nerd at heart, and I'm always keeping up on the latest and greatest. Now, although I may not have the latest piece of tech, I'm still on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I plan on being on it until the wheels fall off, and then I'm gonna have this as a backup phone to take on trips whenever I'm out in the backcountry or dirt biking or mountain biking, just to have as a backup that will actually connect to my little satellite device. Now, with that being said, all of my fun activity seasons have kind of come to an end. Obviously, I can still mountain bike and dirt bike whenever I want, and honestly, this is kind of the good season. It's just a little harder to get out here and there, but for me, I personally get out during this time a lot more. Anyways, I spend a lot more time inside during this time of year, and I especially get super into tech, and I'm super excited about that. You guys probably got hints on the last video that you guys are going to be seeing more tech, but we are back on the Xbox, back on the sticks, and believe it or not, not, I was super hyped to get back on Xbox for the reason I bought the Xbox Series S in the first place, and that was the Battlefield franchise. Battlefield 2042 absolutely blew me out of the water. I was super hyped to be on this new gen console. This year I had something to look forward to, and that was Battlefield 6. What originally sparked my Xbox and tech channel in the first place. Without Battlefield, this tech channel wouldn't even exist. So I have jumped back on the sticks. I pre-ordered it, played on release day, missed the beta because of hunting season, but I've been getting down on that. I absolutely love the game. I think they've built an awesome game and they're listening to the community. I will say this, I haven't been grinding it as hard as 2042 just because I've had life stuff going on, and I'm sure like a lot of you watching, you guys jump on the sticks to just unwind and de-stress at the end of the day. That's what I do. If I do have a day or two here in the upcoming future, I'm gonna definitely be grinding it hard and kind of nerding out about it, probably leveling up some classes. So far, the M4 Carbine class is what I've been rocking. I've been getting double kills, triple kills, quad kills with that setup, so I've been liking that, but I'm definitely excited to get back into it just because I haven't had a ton of time to grind it, just an hour or two every few days to just jump back into it. So definitely looking forward to that. Now, if we scroll on the screen here, you'll see this game. It is absolutely wild for a grown 30-year-old man to just start playing Fortnite as he turns 30. Yes, I did turn 30 and I did get called an unk this year. Bruh. Before I turned 30, I was still technically in my 20s, but I played my first ever game of Fortnite the other day after work, and I got second place on Solo Royale. I can hear my wife laughing in the background because she was cracking up at the fact that I was playing Fortnite, grown 30-year-old man. I like to, you know, be out and about doing stuff, hiking, hunting, doing gnarly workouts, and I turned 30 a couple months ago, literally 2 months ago, end of August, and I played my first ever game of Fortnite, and I was actually really good at it, and I enjoy it, and Simpsons World is freaking awesome, so don't at me. Anyways, just been jumping on casually here and there just to kind of de-stress, unwind, running a game or two of Fortnite, a game of Red Sec on Battlefield 6, maybe like in 30 to 45 minutes tops. But now with the weather coming and I'm gonna be at home a lot more, hint, hint, upcoming videos, I'm gonna be gaming a lot more, and I'm gonna have like a spectator, you know, watching me. So just wanted to update you guys on where I've been, what I've been doing, and what I've been rocking. This is still the console of choice. Stay tuned for more videos, more in-depth video on how I've been using this. This is just a quick little update video. If you're new here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.